Hey guys, this is Chelsea from Byrider out in Waukesha. Just letting you know that when you come and buy a car from us, it needs to be worry-free because all of our cars have an 83-point inspection. We're checking the engine mounts, the oil, the filter, the leaks, intake manifolds, seat belts, spare tires, airbags, everything. Also during our test drive, we're looking at the transmission, the sensors, the suspensions, and when you come back, we check the fluids and the levels all over again. A great car, but you're going to have a wonderful warranty. It's going to have a 4-year, 48,000-mile warranty, which is going to cover all of your major items like your engine, transmission, drivetrain, powertrain, your duplicate parts, your battery, your pump, all of your major components to keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. So while purchasing a used vehicle, don't be scared because we're going to be with you every step of the way to make sure that your car stays safe and reliable to help you get back and forth to all the places that you need to go. So let's rebuild your credit, keep your car safe, and get you back on the road. Stop in and see us at the Byrider Waukesha, W226 South 1700, Highway 164, Waukesha, Wisconsin, 53186, or give us a call, 262-506-3131. Have a great day. Bye-bye.